Da, 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 da. Okay, so your girl is feeling herself, looking cute, brown lips. So you already know this video is about to get real spicy. It's a good video. Okay, black owned period. So I had to come with all of this chocolate. Like, why not? Why not? I'm smelling good, looking good, feeling good. And I have my TELFAR package right here. So without any further ado, let's hop right into the video. Oh, but Jay, I don't even show my intro. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nadale, and today I have an amazing video for you guys. It is black owned. Okay, it's giving melanin. Okay, it's giving expensive, it's giving luxury, period. Okay, so if you guys want to see what I got from TELFAR, then stay tuned. Oh, I make videos on makeup, music. Oh la la, I'm all over the place, like, because I am too excited. I make videos on makeup, fashion, and motherhood. So if that's something that you're interested in, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave something down below. Let me know how you feel about this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yo, my dimples even hurt because I feel like I've been like smiling so much from excitement. But without further ado, let's hop right into this unboxing. Okay, so I have my trusty shears with me. Nadia, stop doing that close to your hair. Like, it's not a joke. It's not funny. Okay. Now, so yeah, I have my trusty shears right next to me, and I'm about to open up the package. So it comes in this brown standard box, and it came through FedEx. I will also let you guys know how I ended up landing this bag, because if you know TELFAR, you know it had us to get one of their bags. So and I also have a little story time to go along with it, because you know, like, I just feel like it wouldn't be me if it didn't have a story time attached to it. So this bag cost $192, and with tax was $11. Wait, where was when they put that tax? Because I don't remember. Anyway, shipping is free. I'll do it for my black people. Okay, so tax was $11, and then shipping was free, which is great. And I got the I won't say it did come in I would say less than 2 weeks, either between 2 weeks or less than 2 weeks. Anyway, enough talk, let's unbox. Oh, I see it. Yeah, this is the UGG times TELFAR bag. This is the UGG times TELFAR UGG with my Caribbean accent. It's not UGG, it's not UGG, it's UGG times TELFAR bag, and I have the color chestnut. Ooh. Okay. So it just says UGG times TELFAR in this like cardboard tag right here, and it says behind of it, way back in 2010 we made an unauthorized deconstructed UGG classic boot, the centerpiece of our fall/winter show. That was way before collaborations were a thing, before accessible was considered fashionable, and before a black owned gender-free label was considered possible. We've got a long way to go, better dressed, comfortable. Oh my god, I love that. Let me tell you something about Telfar. The experience is different, okay? If you go on their website, like just the verbiage that they use is different from any other site. Even when Beyonce wore their brand, they were like, our price is not going to change. The price that we have is the prices that we're going to stick with, period. Okay, and they have Telfar TV too, which is like a whole different experience, knowing when they're going to drop their bags. Just the way that they do things is like different from other brands, so you could tell the culture is everywhere up and through their website. Now I am just going to take this out. Look at me. I was trying not to look in the viewfinder, but yeah, my accent is just coming up. I'm from Dominica, if you don't know. I'm not American, so my Dominican accent is full-fledged, okay? Like, wow. Oh my god, just look at how cute that shit looks. Like, sorry for my French, but look at how cute this looks. Yeah, but that is so adorable. It is everything that I thought it would have been. Like, oh my god. And now it didn't come with a dust bag, so I guess I'll have to get one for this bag. But it is shilling with the standard UGG chestnut color with the Telfar logo. And let me give you guys a closer look. It is absolutely beautiful. And inside you just have some tissue. Oh, yes, there is a dust bag. What am I saying? You should know better. You watch all those videos on YouTube. You see everybody had a dust bag. Why are you trying to say, spread rumors and say they haven't got a dust bag? There is a dust bag. It says UGG times Telfar, and it's nicely folded like this, and I don't want to take it out, so let's just leave it. And inside you have the UGG times Telfar tag, and also there's another tag on the inside, which I cannot really see right now, but it does close with a clasp like this, and you can see the space in between, the space inside. Now we all know that this is a small bag. The smalls are very small and the bags are very cute. Like, I don't know how that even made sense or right or anything, but this stuff is like so cute. But the smalls are really tiny, but they are super cute. And I chose this bag because it's more structured, and I ended up choosing this color. They also came out with an all black and then the reverse version of this, so most of the bag would be shilling, and I think on the logo is a chestnut, but I really wanted this one. It is definitely a fall and winter bag. It just looks so cute. Like, if you're not buying black, then what you doing? Like, I'm not saying don't buy any other, like, don't buy Louis, don't buy Gucci, don't buy other luxury brands, but you should be buying black. And there's no explanation. You just should be, period. Okay. But yeah, my sister wants one like this. I hope she gets it because I know she's going to love it. I know it doesn't. Oh, there's also a long strap. I'm not going to take this out right now because I want to make a reel with it, with the bag. And behind also has this tag right here from UGG times Telfar. But yeah, it is very cute. She is so pretty. And I will be using her very much. So not much can fit in here, but all I need is my wallet. Y'all are not wallet, sorry. All I need is my phone, which I usually carry in my hand anyway, and my cards. So I will just be using that for that. And yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys like my new TELFAR bag. And if you do, please don't forget to thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me if you like this bag, if you're interested in TELFAR, if you ever heard of it, if you knew that it was black owned, just let me know. Or if you saw Beyonce wearing it, let me know that too. Like, I really want to know, like, if you guys are interested in TELFAR and want a bag, or if you want me to explain better in another video how to get a TELFAR bag, then let me know. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.
Da, da, da.